What are proteins? All living cells contain proteins. This means that proteins are necessary for the survival of every living organism. In fact, the word protein has originated from a Greek word which means first, because proteins are considered to be the most important part of the living matter. The proteins are chemical compounds that are made of chains of amino acids. There are more than 21 amino acids. Each amino acid has carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen as its constituents. The different amino acids can combine in different ways to form different proteins. So, through their permutations and combinations, thousands of proteins originate. Plants make their own amino acids and can therefore make their own proteins. Animals make some amino acids but not all that are necessary for life. These amino acids which animals cannot make themselves are called the essential amino acids. Animals get them from their food. When an animal eats protein-rich food, the proteins are broken down into individual amino acids. The amino acids are then used by the body to make proteins through a series of complicated chemical reactions known as protein synthesis. Proteins work in many different ways in the body. An important group of proteins, called enzymes, act as catalysts in many biochemical reactions. Enzymes are essential for the metabolic activity of the body. Some hormones, such as insulin, are also proteins. These are called regulatory proteins and regulate blood pressure and blood glucose level. Immune proteins protect the body against infection. Transport proteins carry vital substances around the body. Hemoglobin in the blood is an important example of transport protein. Movement of the muscles is helped by the proteins called contractile proteins. Thus we see that the proteins are vital for the body. Foods such as milk, eggs, fish, meat and cheese have sufficient proteins as well as the essential amino acids. Some food substances such as rice and potato do not have certain essential amino acids and are not considered as good protein sources. A deficiency of protein in the body makes it slow, listless and highly susceptible to infectious diseases. Protein deficiency may also cause brain damage and mental retardation. Hence one is advised to regularly take diet rich in protein as it cannot be stored in the body.